Your accountant sent you this link to show you the paperless office system that they use in their business. And quite frankly, they did it because, well, they might have seen some chaos in your operation with stacks of paper around, overflowing filing cabinets, lost documents that have cost you plenty, and bottlenecks in your production. See, they use a document management system called Paperless Overnight that maps out all of their workflow, digitalizes all of their documents, and standardizes their operation. It only costs them $13 a day, but it cuts an average of $18,000 a year in overhead per employee. That's because every person in your office spends at least 2 hours a day chasing paper. Using Paperless Overnight, all of those expenses and problems go away immediately. You won't even have to worry about receipts on the road. You can use your smartphone and upload expenses while you're going. Your staff is going to be able to look at your document management system and know exactly what they need to do today so they can spend a lot more time working on client-related tasks and less time chasing paper. You might even be able to outsource your accounting. But there are a few other benefits. Maybe you're at the banker's office and he needs to look at an old tax return. With your iPhone, you can download the return immediately without calling the accountant. Heaven forbid you ever get audited. Well, at least it'll go quick because any questionable transaction will be able to relate specifically and directly to the source document to prove it, and at least it'll go fast. You'll be able to access your documents and workflow from any mobile device, and that means you can work from home or at the job site, or even keep tabs on the company while you're on vacation. When your staff come to the office, they'll look at the dashboard as well, click on their name, see a list of today's work, and be able to see exactly what needs to be done and how to do it. Now, we use the document management system to increase sales as well, because if I have an important employee that has to go home because maybe they have a sick daughter, they can continue to work right from the house. We use commissioned salespeople to work from home to set appointments or close deals. We have one person that does nothing but resurrect old clients, and I pay our contract $15 an hour just to call old clients and see if they'd like to start buying from us again. I don't even answer my own email. I have a woman in West Virginia using the document management system that reads all of my email and forwards the couple a day that I really need to pay attention to. All of these things combined increase sales while we're cutting costs. If you'd like to know what your account is doing and what they recommend that you take a look at, simply fill in the form below and we'll be happy to send you complete details. Whether you want an individual one-on-one demonstration or you'd like to see additional videos on how all of these little techniques work, or if you'd like to listen in on a group presentation, simply check the appropriate box and we'll get the information out to you immediately. Thank you so very much for listening.